Oldbury and Halesowen UK Parliament constituency. Oldbury and Halesowen was a parliamentary constituency in the West Midlands which returned one Member of Parliament MP to the House of Commons of the Parliament of the United Kingdom from 1950 until it was abolished for the February 1974 general election. It was created from the eastern section of the Stourbridge constituency, which was reduced substantially in size as a result of the recent population growth in both Oldbury and Halesowen. It was then partly replaced by the new Halesowen and Stourbridge constituency, with the Oldbury area becoming part of Warley West. Boundaries: the boroughs of Halesowen and Oldbury. Members of Parliament. Elections in the 1950s, elections in the 1960s, elections in the 1970s,